Is your microwave door refusing to open or close? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll show you simple steps to troubleshoot and fix this common problem. We'll let you know. You can see the door will close even though your microwave is not working properly. As you can see, its door is completely free. The strings are completely free. As always, start by unplugging the microwave from the power outlet for safety reasons before making any repairs. To gain access to the door spring, you will likely have to remove the outer cover of the microwave. Consult your user manual for guidance on safely disassembling your specific model. Open both the screws of the microwave and then carefully open the door of the microwave. Once you gain access, carefully inspect the door spring. Look for any signs of damage, such as cracks or misalignment. You can see that the spring is broken. You can see that we have brought a new spring. If the spring is damaged, it will need to be replaced. You can get replacement springs online or from the manufacturer. If it is misaligned, carefully adjust it to its correct position. Once the weather has settled, reassemble following the steps in order to disassemble the micro, making sure everything is securely in place. Once the weather has settled, reassemble following the steps in order to disassemble the micro, making sure everything is securely in place. You can see that the microwave works properly. Be sure to tailor the instructions based on the specific make and model of the microwave, as different models may have slightly different access and repair procedures for the door spring. Visual aids or demonstrations will greatly complement the better understanding of the script. Fixing a faulty spring-affected microwave door can be straightforward with the right steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.